Do you love French fries? Then you will definitely appreciate this spice blend, which will take your French fries to the next level. And trust me, this blend is good for much more than just French fries. Mortar and pestle, 1 teaspoon of peppercorns. First you need to grind some spices. You can use ground spices or grind them in a blender. You can find the quantities per batch in the description below the video. 8 teaspoons of Himalayan salt. Mine is a little coarser, so I will grind it too. If you like this video, please subscribe and leave a comment. 1 teaspoon of dried oregano. 1 teaspoon of dried parsley. When you are satisfied with the coarseness of the spices, transfer them to a bowl or jar in which you will store the blend. 8 teaspoons of granulated garlic, 8 teaspoons of onion powder, 8 teaspoons of paprika. Mix all the spices. You can also add smoked or hot paprika. Optionally, you can add cayenne pepper, and your new French fry seasoning blend looks beautiful. Now add your new favorite seasoning to the fries and mix them well, and you are done. Follow the link below the video to discover how to take your fries to the next level. Check out my video Chicken Ranch Fries.